So good morning to all. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we'll be discussing about few penny stocks. So penny stocks in the sense which are available at a very low value. So we'll try to discuss two stocks which are having some very good potential in the long term. So we'll discuss the fundamental point of view, and also we'll try to discuss the complete technicals, because many people were asking to discuss few stocks which are available at a very low value and which has some potential in the future. So this is going to be the first part. Again, in the next upcoming videos also I'll discuss few such stocks which are only having potential, okay, which might go up in the future. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram. I'll provide a link in the description. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is SEPC Limited. So I think few people might not be knowing about this particular stock. So this particular company is basically related to infra sector, and if you see the basic details of the company, you can clearly see it is into construction, engineering and mining and mineral processing. So basically the company provides high-end engineering services. So this is the main business of the company. And if you see the market cap, it is around 3,257 crores. So it is not at all a small company. It has a good market capitalization also. And as I told, the current price is around 23 rupees. And you can see the 52-week high and low. The 52-week high is around 26, and the low is around 7.38. So book value is around 8.14, and obviously ROC and ROE for these type of companies at initial stages might be in negative. So face value is around 10, debt is around 422 crore. So obviously debt to equity ratio is less than 1, so it is not that risky. And next, promoter holding is around 27.8% and pledging is around 7.88. So reasonable. So even though the promoter holding is slightly less, but pledging is also considerably in a fair value zone. And next, if we try to observe the results, right? So operating profit, slightly it is varying. You can see in the last September 2023 it was around 8.49 crores, and if you see profit before tax, it is around 5.65. So profit before tax on quarter basis we have seen increment, and yearly basis also increment is there. But in March 2023 you can see a very good PBT was there, but later we know a slowdown was there in infra. But now in the upcoming budget or after elections, there is a high scope that infrastructure related companies might show some movement, right? And net profit also is around 5.65 crore. So that also significantly has increased gradually. So net profit is increasing. So that is one positive thing. If you see the March 2023, it was negative, and then it slightly went into positive, and now it has increased very well, right? So now let's see the technicals of SEPC. So firstly, if you try to observe the weekly chart of SEPC, so clearly you can see a triangle pattern is being formed in it, and this is a weekly chart. In case if it breaks that 25 rupees level, then this particular thing can be your target. So short term target, easily you can expect 32 rupees, so that possibility is clearly there. But my suggestion is you can hold it for 50 rupees and even more in the longer time point of view, because potential wise there is clearly visibility, and technically also a possible breakout can be seen, because this trend line, whatever the trend line is there, 22 rupees level, that the stock is respecting very well on weekly basis. And if you see the daily chart also, you can see a very big consolidation is there. At any point of time, if it gives a breakout above that upper trend line, so then you can expect a gradually upside movement. So 32, 40, 50. So these are the immediate targets for the stock in the short term to long term. So it can be achieved at any point of time, but my suggestion is above 25. If you create a buy position, so it will be achievable, right? So this is the first stock. So now let's get into the second stock. Okay, so the second stock that we're going to discuss is the Orient Green Power Company. So this stock is familiar to many people, right? So you heard about this company many times. So earlier also it was a penny stock, so now gradually it has increased. So you can see it is also mainly into renewable energy power. So all these things basically and geographical split also, if you see, 94% is in India and others it is 6%. So main things are wind power capacity is there, and so this is one of the biggest source for the company, and also it operates in various regions as well. So projects wise also, recently we know there are many projects that are being allocated to the company. So on that note only, we have seen a very good jump in the quarterly result also. And if you see, the market cap is around 2270 crore, current price is around 23 rupees, high is around 25, low is around 7. So almost it is moving near the 52-week high itself. Book value is around 8.52. So rest all the things, if you see, debt is there, so it might recover the debt because profits are increasing. If you see the operating profit in the last quarter, completely you can say almost double itself operating profit. And PBT, if you see the numbers, how much multifold jump is there, right? And net profit also from minus 99 and then it has gone into 75. So last quarter was a very fabulous quarter for this particular company. So that was the reason the stock completely has come near the 52-week highs, right? So now if you observe the technical point of view of Orient Green Power, so same, you can see a pole and flag type of a pattern is visible here. So about 25 here also we can see a very good rally in it. So potential targets can be same 50 rupees in the near term, because pole and flag pattern already we know, if it gives a breakout you can expect this length as the target in the upside direction. So same in the both stocks, we have a very good bullish patterns being formed. So technically both are looking bullish. Only thing is a proper breakout should be there. So in both of the stocks, 25 rupees above, if the stock is sustaining, so then we can expect a movement. So before that also you can accumulate. So depends upon the risk taking capability of the person. And stop loss point of view, below 20 a slight correction can be there, so that you can keep as your short term stop loss. Rest, if you want to hold it for long term, you can hold it. So these are the stocks. So daily chart also you can see it is continuously in bullish trend itself. So now if you buy again, it might face a short term target of 25. So there we have the resistance. So if it gives a breakout, then we can expect further rally. So keep these two stocks in radar. So first stock is SEPC. Second stock is Orient Green Power. So these two stocks are looking bullish on technical basis and fundamental point of view. Also, results are looking good. Only thing is long-term patience is required in it. So in the next videos, we'll discuss another set of stocks which are around 50 rupees. So that I'll try to upload. So if you enjoyed the video, so do like it. Thank you for watching.